it's Maxine at Fabricland. This week I'm going to inspire you with some spooky Halloween costumes that are really easy to make because Halloween's just around the corner. So I've got lots pulled out on the table for you to see today. So we've got some glittery felt squares and some plain felt squares. So if you just want to add a star or something like that to a costume, these are very good. Maybe a pair of cat's ears, something like that. We've got lots of different colours in net, and maybe have a go at cutting this into strips, putting it onto a ribbon and maybe making a little tutu. That would look good with maybe a black t-shirt for a child. We've got sparkly fabrics. We've got cobwebs fabric, which would look really good to hang up and maybe put it over a fluorescent colour or even a purple to make it look really Halloweeny. So that would look good, maybe even draped at windows. Okay, we've got cheap satin, okay, £1.99 a metre, so that would make a good cape. Or what about maybe making a little Dracula outfit? And we've got the crushed velvets. Again, these hang really well. You don't need to finish it. It's a jersey. You can just cut it. We have got lace, so cheap lace. So maybe you can pop that over different colours. So that would look good. Look over the orange, over the purple. So you can see that would look really good. If you want to make some bunting, we've got some Halloween cotton prints. We've got this on special at £1.50 a metre. This would look good draped in a venue, maybe in your house, at the window, maybe make a cape. You can see it gathers quite easily, so that would look good. £1.50 a metre. You don't need a metre to make a cape, so that would be really good. We've got skull print. We do this black cheap Halloween jersey that we sell oodles of. Okay, nice and soft. Again, you could just drape this, just cut it, it doesn't fray. We've got like voiles and organdys, so these would look lovely hung up. You can make nice Halloween bits and bobs with them. You can see they've made like this cape, so they've used like the spider's web and then done orange underneath. So there's lots of costume patterns on our website, so maybe go and have a look. They're always discounted. Maybe make a ghost. You can see this is just a poncho that's cut, so you could maybe have a go at doing that in the felt. So that would be quite easy to make a pumpkin, and maybe with a felt square just cut the little green trim round. We do sequin stars if you want to do bits for wizards. We've got skull and crossbone motifs, which would look good on something. We do marabou, good for spiders' legs. Or we do black pipe cleaners, good for your Halloween crafts as well. We've got cheap satins, polycottons, and I've even made a quick cape. So this is using the Jersey Park. All I've done, as you can see, is just turned over about an inch or 2.5 centimetres, run a tacking stitch. It is in black, so you might not be able to see it very well. Threaded a cord through, and look, before you know it, a quick cape. And these would be good for kids to go trick-or-treating. Just tie them up. You could put some stars on them if they wanted to be a wizard. And look, there you go. So come and have a go. Our girls in the shops can always help you as well. Goodbye.